AI companies are growing faster than ever, but speed alone won't get you to the top. Most startups tend to build castles, but the great ones build fortresses. The companies that win this era will be the ones who know how to defend what they build before the tech window closes behind them. AI lowered the barrier to launch, and now everyone can build and test their technology incredibly quickly and easily. So what separates the winners is how well they defend that early momentum when they first start to see initial growth with customers. And we've seen this before. Platform shifts invite competition, and only the founders who build real defensibility survive the wave and define the category that they're in. Speed gets you started, but it doesn't protect you. In the AI era, defensibility is layered, timed, sequenced, and deployed, just like a strategy game. Think of your startup like a Motte and Bailey castle. Fight early battles with speed and distribution, and defend with network effects, embedding, and lock-in as competition builds. And remember never to confuse virality for loyalty. One gets you users, the other keeps them. So some early examples from the early internet. Take Google. They built a better algorithm that scaled faster and then launched AdWords and gained their initial network effects, and now they're embedded everywhere. On the opposite side of that coin is Groupon, who launched incredibly quickly, grew incredibly fast, but didn't build retention and defensibility, and that led to their demise. So you can see the difference wasn't speed, it was sequence. And this is something that most founders typically get wrong, and something I write about often, the idea of startup timing. Startups either try to build long-term defensibility too early or forget to build it at all. You don't need a moat on day one, but you do need a strategy for when and how to build it. Use distribution, brand, and data to scale your company, then layer in network effects and embedding when you get that initial traction. The defensibility matrix is evolving, and here are 6 concepts we're seeing that are working right now. Firstly, network effects. Even in single-player tools, context and collaboration drive compounding value. Data moats. Real-time and proprietary data give you an early edge if acted on quickly. Distribution. Master the new playbook. It's how you build your Bailey. Read my latest article called The New Go-to-Market Playbook to learn more about how you can get customers in today's world. And brand. Trust matters. Even more today, where the perception of AI hallucinations are common. Scale. Compute equals leverage. More of it widens your lead. And finally, embedding. Plug into workflows, make switching painful, and your product a joy to use. Here are some frameworks to test your company's defensibility. Gather your team and ask them these questions. Firstly, the switching cost test. What do users lose if they stop using you? 2, the collaboration value test. Does the product get better when more people use it? And finally, the hub and spoke test. Are some users gaining exponential value via distribution on your platform? So what can you do now as a founder? Go down the early stage founder checklist with your co-founders to make sure you're on the right path. Don't over-engineer your moat from day one. Build fast and distribute faster. Know your transition point and know when speed needs to be protected. Identify which defensibility layer you're missing and create a plan to build. Make sure your roadmap includes long-term strategy, not just short-term traction. So the AI boom is real, and so is the competition. The winners will be the ones who deployed defensively with discipline, knowing when to fight fast and when to build for the long haul. This isn't about paranoia, it's about preparation. And if you get it right, your castle won't just stand, it will last.